Everyone, it's Colin for Daily Dose of Colin. Just out here walking my dog. Come on. Oh. Come on. Come here. Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Say hello. Anyways, that's not what this video vlog is about. This is Sunday, September 30th. And this one is about going back to nature and getting grounded. Not like grounded like you get in trouble, but grounded as in like, you know, bare feet on the ground, connecting with nature. It's an important spiritual practice, which I myself practice usually when I have the time. I like to sleep in the morning. So getting back to nature and / grounding, that's what this is about. Getting back to nature, in case you haven't realized it, or just to fill you in, nature provides us not only with the oxygen we breathe, the clean water, although it's not so clean now that it's ran through processing plants or has added chemicals like fluoride in it, but pure, untouched water gives us food that feeds us with all the nutrients that our body needs. It gives us beautiful flowers in the lake, reflections, warmth from the sun. Nature gives us trees and certain plants that have medicinal purposes. So it provides everything we need. I mean, we just need to tap into it and realize like the full power and capabilities of nature. So I encourage all of you guys, get outside in nature a little bit more. Put down the phone or the TV or the PS2. I know it's going to be hard. And this will be a challenge for me myself as well. But if you want to incorporate both, like making videos out in nature like I am right now, do that. It's a good idea. But getting out in nature, becoming one with it, and also show appreciation for nature, for the things that you have. That's also a really good thing. So I encourage all of you right now, this is my weekly challenge for you, although it's not much of a weekly challenge as it is just a challenge, to be honest, to get out there and connect more with nature. You know, find that bond that you have. Some people say that when they go camping, they find like, wow, it was amazing. I love nature. It's so beautiful. In fact, my parents just got back from a camping trip to Maine, and wow, the pictures look amazing. All the mountainsides, the waves crashing, all of that, it looks beautiful. So that's just like one example of people getting back in touch with nature and finding just how beautiful it is, just how relaxing, de-stressing it is. It allows for endorphins to flow, and like I said, it's a good stress reliever too, but it also brings you back to the appreciation of nature. I love Mother Nature. I want to get more connected with it, you know, especially during this great shift that's coming. So that's the message for tonight. That's the Sunday, September 30th, 2018's Daily Dose of Colin vlog. It's get back to nature / grounding. All right, so everyone, thanks for joining me. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe, like, comment, and all that. And I will see you in the next vlog. Peace.